Hey guys, I'm Matt, and this is my channel, Misfit, Mutts and Motors. Thanks for stopping by. Today, I worked on my 1969 BMW 1600. A lot of people know them as 2002s. There's similar cars, look exactly the same, just a smaller engine in the 1600s, and they were the original of the 2002. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Shout out to OEM Customs for the awesome door sills they sent. They installed great, look really nice. Thank you guys. There'll be a link in the description below, so hit that up. Tell them I sent you. Enjoy. This is a look of the sill off the car. Ooh, yeah, shiny. You can see my purple hoodie in the reflection and my shop lights. Little tape. I hit it with the razor a couple times unpacking. This thing came packaged really well. It took forever to unpack it. Probably get a set for this guy too. What do you think his should say? Put some comments in. His name's Louisville. Watch his door sill say. Door sill say. Yeah, I've spoken before. It's fine. So what we're gonna do today, we're just gonna put these guys in. Some custom door sills by OEM Customs. I'll put a link to their Instagram store in the description here. And they're just held in with some 3M, nice and easy. And yeah, they go right there on the door sill. Like to class it up a little bit, make it look nice. First, gotta give it a little clean. I'm gonna take the tape off and tape on. Then we're done. Should be pretty easy. Yeah, let's just do it. I want to line it right up with the edge here. Alright, nice and easy, real quick. Let's just make sure the door closes. Nice, quick, easy way. Improve the look of your interior. Hit up OEM Customs. They'll help you out. Alright, let's put the put the driver's side one on, and then we'll be done with this little project. And the reason I didn't start with the driver's side is because this door doesn't stay open. This is nice because it'll cover up all these little nicks from people getting in and out, things getting in and out. And this feels really, really durable. I've already dropped it a few times, smacked it against some stuff, and I haven't scratched it yet, so pretty good. Tape is real sticky. Yeah, you put it down wrong and it's not easy to fix, which is good. All right. Close itself. Even closes all the way nicely. Perfect. Still don't even need to slam it. Look at that. Much better. I got black because I got a whole bunch of black and machined accents in here. No interference with the door at all. That's perfect. Alright, so again, that's OEM Customs. They're on Instagram. Hit them up. They will give you some sweet door sills, and they also make emblems. I do not have their emblems yet. I have ordered a set. I should have some soon, and they will replace those. And they look really nice. So, yeah, let me know what you think. Hit the like button and subscribe and all that, and we can go over my cars next time. Oh, we got that one up there, yeah. All right. Take it easy, everybody.